Welcome to our digestive system, a kinesthetic activity teaching students about their digestive system. For this activity, you will need many things, like 2 squirt bottles, one to represent saliva with clear liquid, and something, doesn't matter what color, to represent chemical juices. You will also need nutrients that will go into the bloodstream. So in this case we've used M&Ms, because hopefully we can have a treat for the kiddies afterwards. Here we have our minerals. In this exercise we have chosen to use curl reformers, which will represent the minerals, along with balloons that will represent water molecules. We've used 3, doesn't matter how many you use. We also have a bag that will contain all of these nutrients, minerals, and chemical juices in it. It will represent the whole body of the food as it passes through the digestive system. But wait, there's more. You will also need a huge bag to represent the sac, large sac, which is the stomach. And in this activity, we have chosen to use a huge sheet of bubble wrap that will represent the small intestine. And the small intestine, as you will see later, will be where we need to have our proteins, carbohydrates, and fat go through. Oh, wait, there's one more. Oh, you will also need a piece of tape to represent the tract, whether you label it on the floor or on a table. In this exercise, we'll use the table. And for our prop purposes, we have 2 air hockey pucks that will represent the teeth. Let's get started. The human digestive system is made up of many organs. These organs include the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Digestion starts in the mouth. You break down food by chomping and chewing in your mouth. The mouth makes saliva or spit, and saliva has chemicals that break down part of the food. For this exercise, you will have your saliva ready and your chomping and chewers, which will represent the teeth. That you explain that saliva is what makes the food easier to swallow. So let's go! Chomping and chewing. But hey, where's the saliva? Saliva! Yeah! Now it's time for our food to make it through the esophagus. Remember, it won't go through the pharynx because that's the air pipe. And the air pipe means we're going to choke. Woo! Look at that.
It's in the stomach.
Yay! Now it's in the stomach. Our large sac called the stomach. Let's learn about the stomach for 2 seconds. The stomach is a stretchy sac. It breaks down much. The stomach is like a food mixer. It tosses and turns food, and it breaks down the food with chemical juices. The 3 important jobs of the stomach is that it stores food, liquefies food, and empties food into the small intestine. Let's see how our stomach works by breaking down our food with chemical juices. Remember, it's like a food mixer. And then we're going to talk about the small intestine. Come on, stomach, mix our food. Chemical juices. Chemical juices. The small intestine is a long, wavy tube. It is below your stomach. The small intestine's job is to break down food or mush or more. It breaks down food into very large molecules called macromolecules. So within the small intestine, it's going to take carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are what the macromolecules are. They're broken down with chemical juices. Whoa, look at all those molecules. Whoa. And basically, the body sends the very large molecules to the cell. Cells are what make up your body. It repairs, makes copies of more cells, and cells to grow. So in this activity, the students will have a chance to basically send the nutrients off into the blood cell. We have red M&Ms going, which are our fats. Yeah, fats. Then we have carbohydrates going into our bloodstream. Woo! I mean, the nutrients are. And then protein. Yay for proteins. Woo, nutrients. Yay. But wait a minute. Not everything got through. What do we have left? Minerals that look. Water molecules and minerals. Wow. Okay. So let's see how we can break them down even more, because we need to get rid of all the stuff we don't really need in our body. So let's head on to the large intestine. So let's see what happens in there. The large intestine is bigger than the small intestine. Waste is the stuff your body does not use. Waste is made up of water and minerals. Hey, don't we have water and minerals left?
Yes.
Yeah! Water and minerals get in the body, and poop is what is left over. So now that we have our small intestine taken away and all we have is minerals and water molecules left, have students exercise and display what is happening in the large intestine. So hey, it's a party in there, but now that the large intestine has been using the water molecules and the minerals, let's go to where the waste is supposed to go. Poop or feces enters the rectum. Poop waits here. Poop is ready to leave the body when humans go to the bathroom. Humans get rid of poop into the toilet. So in the large intestine, when it's used up all the molecules and minerals it needs, guess what else comes out? Poop. So what are you doing?
Throwing it in the rectum.
Woo! Yay. Out the rectum it goes. Go out, poop. Go out, poop. Yay! Now you fully digested your food. Yay!